Hi, just a quick demo to show a few ways to handle static files in a page presentation. I'm using this sample site, a very simple site, and you can see there's the page view. I've also already uploaded some static files, but before we work with static files inside the content management system, we may want to do something simple like just add external links. So really the fastest way to do that is to use a simple text component. So for example, I can go into page mode, I can insert a component type and insert a simple text component. And then in that text component, I could put all my external links by using the insert edit hyperlink. So here is a list of documents. And then I'll just do a bunch of links. I'll click insert link. I'll put in the link to the PDF. So I'll paste the link there, and that'll be all your assets that are already available somewhere on on another system, for example. And then I'll link that to a downloadable file or an internal bookmark. But this will be a downloadable file most likely. Or I'll link it to an item, a web address URL. Something simple. And actually I got that wrong. I need to put the link there and then put the title of the link in the link text. So I'll do HTTP, right, for the URL, and the link text is just the name of the item. So in this case, looks like Write-in Masterclasses Diabetes or something like that. And I do have some optional link settings. I can do some alt text and maybe do the same link text, the same title. That's useful. And then I'll do maybe a new window or a parent or a specific frame. So I'll do a new window. So I got to also use special window settings for the link if you want to. You can set the name of the window that it opens, which is very nice because then they can print it and know exactly what the file is. I can even set the width and height I want. So maybe I know that this is going to look better in an 800 by 600 window. And I can also turn on scroll bars if it's a large document, set the address field, status bar, and other things. Under advanced settings, there's some tag attributes that we can set, but that's not really useful for us right now. But otherwise, I'll click OK for that link. And then I'll add additional links. I'll put a whole list of them, right? So I'll just hit enter and insert another link. And then do the same thing. And this will be an external web address, right? I'll put in the same path. So I'll copy the same URL. I don't have any other documents. I'll just use the same one as an example. Make sure to put HTTP on there, right? And then I'll put in the link text, another linked document. And then I'll do my same link settings, for example, that I used before, the alt text, the external window, but otherwise I'll just click OK. So that's one way to handle links inside of a rich text editor, and that's pretty effective, right? But there's a lot of other ways to do this. You could, and I'll do another video that shows how to actually add these documents to WEM and then manage them from WEM, and then you can publish them and approve them. But we can use content lists for that, and I'll show you how that works in another video. But otherwise here, I can set my appearance, but otherwise this should work. I can simply click Save and Close, and then it puts all those links in the website pretty quickly. I can leave page mode, and then I can test them to make sure they work. So I click on this, and it should open that PDF in another window. And you'll notice it gives me access to the scroll bar and the menu. Now I can change that and turn it off and on using those optional parameters that I showed you in the link settings.